probably bar 14 is the best bar, or bar 12, because this like does break below the level. It's tough psychologically to have missed out. Just take profit. I don't want to trade this. I don't want to get caught up in the emotions. Hey, I'm back, and I got caught up in the emotions, and I took 5 more trades. I'm going to review my film. I'm going to come back, and I'm going to be a better trader. Hey everybody, Monday morning here. We are still under 2 hours into the Monday morning open, and I just wanted to hop on and make a video because wow, look at this drop off. Total waterfall move in the indices this morning, and I didn't really capture it, and I wanted to make an emergency video just on the subject of big moves and while this is so fresh, while it's still happening, and just discuss it, right? So, yeah, so we gapped down, and um, we moved up on the morning. Um, I took 2 trades to open in the ES. Um, this trade I should have waited for the candle close to buy. I bought about 1 minute before candle close, and I put the stop loss underneath this breakout candle, thinking this level would hold. It held down to the tick, so I got stopped out, and then it rallied up another 7 points. So I missed out on, 7 ES points, unfortunately here, and that sucks. But whatever. I was flat. This just canceled out, and I was able to capture that move with MNQ. So yeah, we moved in the first. We took out. This filled the entire prior day Friday range, which is pretty remarkable, just in 35 minutes. While the ATR was relatively low, only at 28 for the MNQ. So I did have a feeling we could go bearish today, but unfortunately I just didn't. I wasn't able to capture that at all. Why did I have a feeling? Well, here are my notes. I watched the candle closes of the 15-minute time frame. And if we look at the 15-minute time frame on the ES, bearish candle close, bearish candle close. We've been trending downwards, it looks like. And yeah, it seemed like it could go bearish, but we were going bullish. I wanted to listen to the price action, so I took some bullish trades, and then we went over the top of the Keltner channel, and at this point I probably should have looked for shorts. We rejected from the prior day close after we closed the gap, and I wish I just got short here. But the price action to me was still bullish at this point, so I thought, all right, we should be bullish. At this point, I'm like, okay, this is a bearish bar, another bearish bar. At this point, it breaks the low. So bar 13, I should probably be looking for shorts by this point, because these are 3 big bars. The ATR is rising. I should have been looking for shorts at this point, if not at this point. I should have got short here though on bar 10, and just basically held all day, looking at the candle closes and saying, okay, this doesn't warrant me getting out. This doesn't warrant me getting out. This doesn't warrant me getting out, but maybe I'll just put the stop loss above here. Doesn't warrant me getting out. Doesn't warrant me getting out. Doesn't warrant me getting out. Bar 18. This is where I messed up. I went for a look how low below the Keltner channel we are, and look how below the 9 moving average we are. I thought we were at least gonna get a comeback trade up to like right here. So I was just going for like a 4 or 5 point counter move trend, maybe up to the 21 moving average before we were going to go for another move down. That didn't happen. This is just a very short flag pattern here for another very strong, almost, we'll say 15-point move down. And what the point I want to highlight here, the main point of this video for my future self, the main lesson to take away here is you got sucked into the 5-minute noise right here, okay? Because the 5-minute chart is when there's these big level-to-level moves happening on the hourly, the 15-minute moves, these big moves that we really want to capture as traders. What happens in the 5-minute, it's normal for it to look way extended beyond, because the movements are just so big that they seem unnatural at this lower time frame. But they are natural, they are a part of the market, they happen, more often than not, especially on news days like non-farm payrolls and CPI. These moves just happen. It's just a part of the market, and I wish I was comfortable enough taking this short, because this was a big move down, consolidation. What side do I think is going to come back in? Obviously the bears. They were this aggressive down. It's not like they're just going to abandon here unless the bulls are super strong. But look how we've been very extended on the daily. We're kind of due for a correction. You shouldn't expect the bulls to come back here, even though it is at a key level. It pushed down, broke the key level, consolidated. We should have expected another move down. We could have got short here. Very confident play. We could have just, targeted a 2-bar hold. After this bar, that's no reason to get out. You could have sold one contract, held the other for down here. But no, unfortunately, I didn't do that. Fortunately, I tried to go for the long. I lost $100. My performance on the day, I'm only down 47, so not too bad considering I fought the trend. And I'm probably just going to be done for the day. I mean, I kind of just expect this to continue like a range down here. I mean, it's weird, right? Because we are at this key level here. We're at the 9 EMA on the daily. We're on the MNQ. This is even more compelling to go long. Well, maybe not actually. I don't know. Like I am considering, in full transparency, I'm considering a V-shaped reversal trade here. Is that stupid? I don't know. I mean, we are very bearish, but it just feels like we're so overextended. We've had bullish wicks here on these last few bars, even on the ES, which is super bearish. So I don't know. Maybe I expect like a reclaim type deal towards this level. I don't know. It's really hard to say, but look, the point is, at this point, even though we're extended beyond, I should have gone for a short. I should have gotten short on any one of these bars. Probably bar 14 is the best bar, or bar 12, because this like does break below the level. Yeah. It's unfortunate I missed out on this big move down, but you're going to miss moves, especially as I'm not a profitable trader yet, per se. I mean, I have had my 2 biggest win streaks in a row. I'm currently having my first profitable month, so... But I'm not, like, experienced enough to consistently capture these types of moves, sadly. I wish I got short at bar 10, though, because this is at a key level. It's a rejection of this key level. And if we didn't get short there, maybe we should have got short on bar 11, because that's more of a decisive move down. And then there's really no reason to get out until, maybe you could trim profits here at this key level. This would be a good target. But I am not good at holding for these big moves, and I really need to become good at holding these big moves. Because if I could just have got short here and held for 20 points, 25 points with two contracts, I mean, I could have, like, those are the types of moves I need to make to become a full-time trader. If I have any hope of becoming a full-time trader, I need to be able to capture this, and that's why I immediately hopped on. Normally I wait till the end of the day to see all the price action um, to make these videos, but between 8:15 to 8:30 in this area down to 9 8:45, I mean, like, under an hour, this was just such a big move. It's crazy. And I feel upset with myself for have missed it, but I'm also like, I need to be able to let stuff go and just focus on what's next. The ES, now we're at this 200 moving average, so maybe we're going to get a bounce. I mean, it seems like if there is a time to go for a reversal trade, it is at this level. Of course, only with confirmation. I didn't have confirmation here. I luckily didn't risk a lot, so like it wasn't super dumb of me. Like, this just seems like a time that I should be going for this type of trade. Like, going for a right side of the V trade with confirmation, of course. I'm not going to just buy the candle close because that is gambling. But if I have actual confirmation, that's not gambling. That's different. And look, just like a 1 hour target, 5 points, that'd be $250. But I don't even think, I don't know, guys. It's really hard to say. Because we're just so overextended. Like, even if it does range down here for the rest of the day, you'd expect it to at least come up like here. But I kind of get this sick feeling in my stomach, like I feel like I might be rationalizing here going for a long. Because look, we just keep going more and more bearish. Every single low point we take out. What's happening on the MNQ? And yeah, the chances of this coming, I have no idea. Like, this is real crazy price action, but we shouldn't have missed these days. Should have had a very good day today. I mean, this even if we ignore this big move down, small win here, kind of a bar close move. I mean, like, this was a small mean reversion trade, and it worked. It was a buy the close. I didn't have the break of high confirmation, but yeah, 1.5 points. I lost 1.5 points here. I should have just waited for this bar to close, and then I should have just, if I'm gonna take this trade, this mean reversion trade, I should have just got long, targeted like right here, got like 4 points. So I should have been up like $275, and then add this MNQ trade like $375. But yeah, unfortunately, that did not happen. And look, MNQ right now is looking like it's going to have a little mean reversion move. But ES is still lagging way down here. And because we did just get confirmation here, I think I am comfortable. No, fuck it. I'm not gonna buy. I'm not gonna buy. It's too bearish. It's just too bearish. Ugh. We haven't had bullish confirmation. We haven't even had a break of the prior candle high since bar 9. It's just so bearish right now. And I don't want to lose money. I'd rather lose money following my plan than doing something dumb. It's a quote from my good trading friend and mentor Russell, and that's what beginners need to say. People that have just discovered their edge, just found it, are trying to follow it. It's better to lose money following your plan than doing something dumb. And my God, I mean, this is just so far down. We're at the 9 EMA on the daily. We're at the 65 EMA. Or the 65? Yeah, 65 EMA on the hourly. It does look kind of bullish. How many points is that stop loss? Because I want to enter here. Maybe I'll just enter like a lower risk. See, the lower risk entry would have been right here. Would have been to enter on the MNQ, because that's only one contract. MES, that's a big... maybe we can do this. We just had our high of candle break. So that's our first bullish trigger in a very since all the way back here. See, I don't even think I want to make this buy. I probably shouldn't make this buy, right? This just seems like it's going to keep, like, make another new low. And look, we're just wasting time here, really. We're wasting time here talking about this because this was the day. This was the move today. Yes, there was this small move up. Great. But this was the move. Okay? And just capturing half of this move or a third of this move would have been phenomenal. It would have been phenomenal just capturing half of this move or a third of this move. This is all there was to do. And say you captured it from 10 down to here. Well, then you could get back in here and go down to here. And you could have got back in here and gone down to here. And that could have been 3 trades. You know, you don't have to... Ideally, you'll hold it all in one move. But that doesn't have to be the case. Yeah, look, we're pushing down again. Halfway through this bar. Oh. It's tough. It's hard. The emotions are difficult having a ROMO, regret of missing out. Because the move's done. Like, we're basically at the daily ATR on this daily candle, and we're below the prior day low. And look, once we broke prior day low, look how clean this action was. Just consolidated right there. Boom, bang, push down. You see, this does look kind of bullish. Because this was a pretty bad attempt at pushing down again. And look, we broke the prior candle high, so that's decent confirmation. Like, I think this really is, I don't know. We'll just target that. There, now we have to be break even. We can't do any worse. We're gonna break the high. We're gonna break the high of that candle. If we break the high of this candle, we could actually push up a little bit and get a nice little profit here. Come on. Alright. I love to see it. I think I just want to exit here. 125 bucks. I don't like fighting counter trend. Even though, yeah, it's going up without me already, a couple points, whatever. I'm up on the day now. Up 73 bucks. Yeah, could have been more. Could have been more. Alright, we just broke that 15-minute candle high. Which is, I wasn't sure if we were going to do that. That's why I got out. We're probably just going to range down here for the rest of the day. And I think I'm probably just going to be done. Because this is just a tough market for me to miss out. It's tough psychologically to have missed out on this huge move down. And it's hard. It's hard to have missed out on this move down. So I'll probably just call this video now. I don't know. It sucks because I feel like I'm getting close, right? I'm so close to making money. I was so close with this bar 6 trade. If I would have gone the right way here, I had the right idea to enter on this candle. Bar 18 and bar 17. It's the right idea to get long or short here. It's the right idea to enter. I just went the wrong way. But I go the right way here, I make great profits. If I'm 15 seconds more patient, 30 more seconds more patient here, and to take this trade with only a 1 point risk, buy the close here, 1 point risk below this low here, target up here, that's a good, very good risk to reward move up. I'd probably just target the highs here, but still, 1 point risk for 4 points, that's a great trade. So at this point, we're doing really well. And if I just had got short and just captured a third of this move, we'd be in a really awesome place. Um, so I got my counter trend scalp, 2.5 points, nice. Uh, should have gone short here, but it's tough. It's tough. I mean, I'm coming on here and I keep repeating myself, and it's because I have bad emotions, I guess, from emo, from from this loss, or not loss, just missing out, right? Because I'm still up $73, and that's great. And I could have been up very big today if I had just gone the right way, done the right thing. Um, who knows? Maybe we're gonna keep continuing up here. Maybe we can go actually back and touch this moving average. That might actually, that kind of seems kind of likely. Kind of seems kind of likely. A little redundant when I say that, but damn. Ugh, I hate missing out. I just got myself out, and now I'm missing out again. Ugh. I need to be hands off. It's hard to be hands off when I'm watching though for a video. Where's my timer? Oh, right here. Yeah, I got my timer here. I just need to set this and go off screen more often, because that will be my best friend. I think actually a time management hack for just trading. Um, I'm thinking that, what's happening here? I'm thinking that I should check after I enter a trade. I should check the, man. Are we gonna start a trend the other way now? No, that's super unlikely. It's super unlikely we're gonna do that. Um, and we're at the 21 moving average now on the MNQ, which means maybe we're gonna consolidate here for a while and then make another attempt down. Um, since we're already there on the MNQ, I probably don't want to trade the 5 minute here. And that's too big a bar to put risk on. I don't want to, because if I entered here, I'd have to risk like $300 to make, to make $300. But I don't want to. I don't want to target that. I'm just gonna be done for the day. I'll take a $75 win, um, which all things considered isn't that bad. $73 win. Um, and we'll learn from this. I mean, it's very early in the day to be making a video, and maybe I'll need to make another video depending on, um, just depending on what the price action does the rest of the day. But I wanted to make this video now only in 2 hours and 15 minutes into the market, because this is all you need. This is all you need. You don't need any more price action than this to make your money. And unfortunately for me, I missed out. I missed out pretty badly. And I'm kind of pissed at myself for saying that, because I sound like repeating that, because I sound like I'm pitying myself, and I don't want pity. I just want to be able to do the right thing in the moment. And sticking with trades, let's make this bigger. I just need to look at the bar size, okay, of everything. Just curious. I want to see how this looks too. Do we like how this looks? Sorry, I'm kind of impulsive and distracted, so maybe that might be good to... just to compare. I don't know. I don't know, guys. It's a tough. That's important. That's stupid. Oh my gosh. We're back to the opening level on MNQ. Very far from the opening level on ES, though. ES sold off a lot more relative to MNQ. This bar might actually be a good long bar because it's only 3 points so far. Well, maybe I spoke too soon because he keeps going up. Is there going to be a panic buy right now, I wonder? I don't think so. But I fucking got in already. Yeah, this is a bad mistake. I'm just gonna take just take profit. I don't wanna trade this. I don't wanna get caught up in the emotions. I don't want to get caught up in the emotions and be like, oh, is there a panic buy and take FOMO impulsive trades. No, I'm not gonna do that. I mean, I just did, but I got out right away. I self-corrected, and now I'm up 130 on the day, so that's cool too. But I was rewarded for doing the wrong thing, luckily. Or luckily I was rewarded. But I realized it right away it was the wrong thing. I got out. I took a little 1.25 point win. So, yeah, there's tons of opportunity on days like today. I mean, 3 bars here, 3 bars here, 3 bars here, 2 bars here, 3 bars here. There's lots of, you know. I mean, I could have actually targeted that fucking 21 EMA mean reversion, or just to this bar. I got out way too early here. I should have targeted for more because it tried to make another push down and it failed to make another push down. And bar 25, that's a pretty bullish bar, and we should have just held up to here at least and got, 8 points. I should be up, even despite missing this huge move down, I should have been up a lot more. But again, I can't hold. I'm not good at holding. I need to be able to hold my winners. So, I'm going to end it here. This video's gone on long enough. I've rambled. I don't want to ramble anymore. I don't want to waste anyone's time for watching. If you do watch, though, I appreciate it a lot. I just don't really feel mentally in the space to be making, videos I feel proud of right now. But I guess this is part of the process. I want to come on here and document this journey of mine as a trader, even when I feel kind of crappy and not very confident. So that's what I'm doing. I guess I'm gonna upload this video. Today could have been $1,000, $2,000 day if I did better, and I guess that's why I feel some shame and not confident. But I guess it's better to get a win day than not a win day. last 2 trading days I lost $106 combined, and I traded horribly. I just made those 2 days back plus a little sprinkle on top. So now my account's back up to 1652.46. Proud of that. So hell, we can put 1652.46. We'll be done for the day. I'm not tracking that yet. It's 10:21, 24. How many trades did I take? 1 winner, 2 winner, 1 loser, 2 loser, 1 winner, 1 loser. So 3 for 6 on ES, 1 for 1 on MNQ. So too many trades. 7 trades is too much. But we did win, and I'm proud of that. Maybe I'll trade more today, maybe not, but maybe I should I kind of just want to be done here. Because I feel shitty. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna go. Appreciate you watching, and I'll see you at the next one. See you tomorrow, and peace. Hey, I'm back, and I got caught up in the emotions, and I took 5 more trades. Totally not okay. I traded inside this bullshit here. Let me show you what I did. So this one, God, I can't even remember. It's like a total blackout. Looks like I took a long confirmation entry here, but then maybe I decided I didn't want to be in anymore, so I just took this small loss. And then at this one, I thought we had a break of this candle high, so I got long, but we came down and stopped me out, and I had a sell order here, and we went down and we pushed down, but then we came back up. So this is 2 losses here, totaling like $200. But then we got a good buy signal here, so I went long, got another contract in, and we actually made some of our losses back. So this is my new total P&L on the day, minus $67. Again, for how stupid I traded, being down only $67 is a good thing. It's like I'm trying to subconsciously sabotage myself. Maybe I don't believe I deserve success or something like that. I'm not really sure. 1453.90. 1453.90. So we're on a losing streak 3 days in a row. I've been down huge both of these last 2 days and managed to come back. If I just avoided the stupid shit that got me down in the first place to begin with, and only, did the good stuff that got me up to recover in a huge way, like hundreds of dollars recovery, I think that, things would be very different. Let's go to my YouTube anyways. What happened today? Yeah, look at my titles. So to lose $59 for how many mistakes I made, this is a good thing. Big comeback, I was up 200, lost 650 back to, made 400 back. And I could have been, the other crazy thing is, if I just would have held on my comeback plays, I would have actually made money both those days. So what I'm going to do here, this is a really pivotal moment in my trading journey, is this is why I record, so I can be like a football team that reviews game tape. I'm a Michigan State football fan. The Michigan State football team, the Spartans, and they just had their bye week, or they just had their first game after their bye week, and they were struggling a lot. They had a really young quarterback who's pretty talented but throws a lot of interceptions. And this quarterback, he made a lot of mistakes. And in their bye week, they went back and they literally rewatched every single play. And their first game after their bye week, they were a plus 280 betting favorite. They were expected to lose against a pretty good Iowa Hawkeyes team. And they played as good a defense against Iowa as Ohio State did. They held their all-star running back. Besides for one big run, he was completely shut down the entire night. And this is because they went back and they watched that film. And it's really frustrating to be repeating the same mistakes over and over again. But I have faith in myself. I know that I can come back and from these mistakes and prevent these stupid mistakes and do the right thing. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to review my film. I'm going to come back and I'm going to be a better trader. And I got a lot of work to do. But I know I have what it takes to be successful at this because I've proven myself. I just need to keep compounding in the right direction. I shouldn't have traded anymore today, or I should have waited for this bar 39 here, or this bar 40, and just targeted the top of this Keltner channel and made 7 points times 2 contracts. So I should have made 14 points here. I should have made, 10 points here. Should have made 20 or 30 points on this decline. Should have made 5 points up here. So I'm going to come back and I'll eventually do a trades of the day. But I need to do the right thing. And I need to be better. And I will be. So that's all. I just wanted to come back and add this part to my video. But this is a very pivotal and important day, and I need to relearn these lessons. So, peace out, thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the next one.